The history of this campus dates back to 1890, and it actually started as a day nursery. And then over the years, it just kept evolving into what it is today, and it's Northeast Ohio's largest pediatric hospital. You know, they say it takes a village to raise a child, and it takes an army to run a hospital. So we really do rely on our vendors, and Davey Tree is one of those critical components.
Randy is very trusting of us. The communication is very good between all of us here. Being on site with a dedicated crew allows us to spend the time and be very detail oriented. We've been doing this for 10 years. We've showed Akron Children's that we have the best interest of the hospital as well as the patients in mind.
Davey Tree is on site 365 days a year, and we tend and take care of the outdoor maintenance of the property. And that includes mowing the grass, to tending to the plants, to pruning, picking up litter on site, planting flowers. We also do snow removal. Randy has a lot of trust in us, and it is our responsibility to maintain the property in a respectable fashion, but then also to respond to any emergencies that they might have.
The hospital is not your vacation destination, and so we try to make it as pleasant an experience as possible. Davey Tree is always there whenever something needs to be done. They're very reactive. They're constantly improving the grounds, and it's just a good feeling knowing that it's being taken care of. We place a lot of trust in them, and Davey Tree has always surpassed my expectations.